Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are discussing the science of grade 7 with Oxford syllabus, and our topic is nutrition disorders. So first of all, apart from the harmful microbes, we can get diseases by our eating too. When we eat some things that are not good for our health, then we can become ill, or we can become obese, or we can become fat. We can become obese or fat. A person who is obese or the fat is at the risk of very harmful diseases, serious diseases such as the diabetes, such as heart diseases, and also the asthma and arthritis. We are discussing these um, serious diseases here, and however, malnutrition is also has very serious effects on our health. We are discussing here some diseases. First of all is diabetes. Diabetes is a disease caused by the fat or the obese in our body. Diabetes is actually the disease caused by the pancreas. Pancreas creating uh, two things. First one is insulin and glucagon. Insulin and the glucagon, they are releasing the hormones. Actually, the insulin is working to lesser the sugar level in our body, and glucagon is working as to higher the sugar level in our body. And as a result, the working of glucagon and insulin causing the sugar level to be balanced in our body. Okay, the insulin is working to lesser the glucose level, and the glucagon is working to higher the glucose level, and as a result the glucose is balanced in our body. And in the diabetes patient, the insulin is not working properly, so the insulin is not working properly, so the sugar level will be high in the body, and it may causes some heart diseases and the blindness and some other diseases that are very serious for our body. Next, we are discussing heart diseases. Heart actually has the own blood vessel supply of the blood by a blood vessel that is called the coronary artery. Coronary artery is providing the blood to the blood vessels of the heart, and heart attack is caused, and the heart diseases are caused by when this coronary artery is blocked. When this coronary artery is blocked and the blood cannot reach to the heart, and as a result it causing some at the first is it causing the severe pain, and that severe pain may cause the angina, and as a result if this coronary artery totally blocked or the cut off altogether, then it may cause the heart attack. And this is all due to the nutrition disorders or having some obese food. Next, we are discussing asthma here. Asthma is a condition that affecting the tubes in our lungs. It is actually the thing or the disease caused in our lungs, and in this the lining of the test tubes become inflamed. The tubes around the lungs are inflamed, and then these inflamed things causes the asthma, and causing the difficulty in the breathing, and it may be caused due to some pollen in the air, or maybe dust in the air, or some cold weather, and causing the difficulty in the breathing, and then causes the asthma. And this asthma causes the tubes to become narrower, and may we feel difficulty in breathing. That was the asthma. And we have discussed here the diabetes, heart diseases, and asthma that are caused by the nutritional disorders or having the unhealthy food. We may cause these diseases. Next we will discuss some other diseases. Thank you.